16. Pussycat. Hello children. The pussycat is a small pet animal, playful creature, but sometimes it behaves ferociously when angry. It walks or runs without making any noise on any type of surface. It has bright and grayish eyes. It can see even in the darkness. People keep cats in the house for scaring the mice and for other purposes also. In this lesson, you will learn about the places where a pussy cat sleeps. 16. Pussy cat. Reading. I have a pussy cat. It's white and fat. I sleep on a cot, but my pussy cat sleeps anywhere. Any table, any chair. Top of the table, window ledge, in the middle, on the edge, open drawer, empty shoe, anybody's lap will do. Fitted in a cardboard box, in the cardboard under the sofa, anywhere, it doesn't care. It sleeps anywhere.